Kay, you're listening to me, myself, the Dark Fire DJ Blackie, alongside
the bad boy DJ Starks.
Bring you the maddest juggling of old school dancehall and spanking new bashment.
You can catch that on our show, Demolition Takeover, each and every Wednesday from 8 to 10 p.m.
So if you want some raving vibes over here by the beach and your household cure,
then you know where to find us. Make sure you tune in to OnTop's finest.
Remember, at Demolition S_ENT, man, the champion jugglers, man, we're there, man.
OnTop Radio, you ready?
Demolition in the building.
OnTop Radio, you ready?
Check, check. Yeah. OnTop Radio 95.5 on the dial. It's Demolition Takeover each and every Wednesday, 8 till 10, here on OnTop FM. No stops this week. No Black Heat this week. So myself, Zonda, I'm in the driving seat. And you see me playing on radio has been an opportunity for me. Big up Black Heat, big up Stutz, for allowing me this opportunity. But you see what I've done today? I've done something that's in my kind nature to do. I've given 2 of my college friends the opportunity to feature on the show today, and they've got a song coming out. I ain't gonna tell you when it's coming out, cause that's for them to, yeah. So it's a bit of a mad one for me, cause these are my boys still. But OnTop Radio, Demolition Takeover 95.5, I present to you YK and Shem.
I see you.
Situationships, a couple this then freak you down this cool. Can we make it past the 2 can stay?
OnTop Radio, you ready?
I'm constantly in the DMs, your mofo custom. Who's praying double tap on your teeth?
Big up all those locked in on the Instagram.
You're not the one, yeah, my heart's still low.
Big up to all of our
to be frank, I'm trying to
regular listeners on top.
In your ocean, I know there's more feelings.
Big up our new listeners on top.
And escape it. I know love is something deeper, just haven't felt it. I've been close, but then I cut it off, cut it off. In the sensitive, don't know what I want, what I want, yeah. Yes, I'm still young, I've got time, but I'm tired of waiting. So how should I say this? Cause ooh, never felt like we made it. Never had my heart taken. Constant anticipation. Never been in love with nobody. So take over my mind and my body. Oh yeah, yeah. Ooh, no #1 attention. Just a little affection. No signal, no connection. Never been in love with nobody, so take over my mind.
OnTop Radio, you ready?
So I have them here. YK and Shem, welcome to the OnTop studio.
Testing.
Shem.
Man like Xander.
Yeah, what, bro? I mean, it's meant to be an interview, but you're my boy, so I don't know. This might be a bit of a more of a personal catch-up, cause I ain't seen you man since October. And you know, he took my mask off because that's just getting in the way. So, boys, we have you two together on a little R&B vibe. So switch it up a little bit. So, Shem, talk to the people. Let them know where you kind of started off in this industry.
Low, alright, cool. So basically, my name's Shem, obviously. Obviously got YK here, singer. He's always been singing, but for me, it was random. Like, it was just one day I just decided to just write a little freestyle kind of thing. started writing.
Talking to the talkaphone director.
Yeah, me testing.
There we go. That's better. There we go.
Yeah, just started writing like this one rap. I remember it was like Shem de la Shem. I'll be a hand of my friend. Some stupidness.
I remember that still.
Do you know what I mean? Yeah, exactly.
I remember them days there still.
Exactly. Yeah, and then since then it's just building and just trying to get better and make more music, better music. Stuff that people can listen to, enjoy it. Do you get me?
Cool. You know, I was like, cool. We're boys, so I've been around you man's music.
Mm-hmm.
It's always been a vibe.
Like
Yo, YK, talk to the people then. How does your journey start?
So obviously, hello guys, my name's YK. I've been singing for the longest, I think properly from the age of like 10. I knew I wanted to do it from like 7. So like, done it all throughout school. My mum was putting me into all these clubs, all these like vocal lessons, everything throughout school. And then obviously, you know, in college, 6th form, I studied it, performing arts and that, started taking it a bit more seriously. Went to uni now, and then in and out of uni, I was like going to studios. Shem was like, oh yeah, come jump on this song. So like it was 3rd year, started really taking it seriously, started writing properly. And then we just started experimenting with our sound. And it wasn't even a plan of like, oh yeah, we're gonna do this together. I just knew Shem was like starting to write bars and stuff and get into his rapping. So I was like, okay, let's just put on a song. And then the first single that we made was Senorita, and then that got some good feedback, some good engagement. So we've just been doing it together ever since. And yeah, exploring our sound, developing our sound, like making it as versatile as possible. And it works because we're genuinely boys, you know what I mean? Like we're bros. So.
Yeah, like when it comes to creating music, once you have that natural click with that person that you're working with, everything just seems so much better. And I know you man have been boys for days. Yep. So when it came to you working together, I think it's like second nature. It's the stuff that it's the stuff that we used to do for fun back in the days. We used to just chill, like even when me and YK was part of the choir, like little things after vocalize. We got the Sensual crew after vocalize, us chilling and just doing stupidness. But because we had that natural connection and natural vibe, the stupidness sounded decent. Sounded decent. So what kind of sound do you guys usually go for? What kind of sound do you usually do? Because this is something different to what you usually would go for.
Yeah, I'd say our sound is more like we're proper known for our like summer bangers, so like mostly Afro swing and fusing like UK rap, grime, Shem's like rap style with like R&B vocals, and just like with a bit of like Afro swing, a bit of like bashment and dancehall here and there, and fusing it together. So R&B is something that I've known for. Like, this is what's inspired me, and like proper, this is what's made me want to do what I want to do in it. R&B was this first genre. So doing a song like this is something that's been overdue, but we've wanted to do it for time. So yeah.
Cool. You know what? Shem, you got anything to add? Or?
Just like trying to be versatile as well. Like you said earlier, like just trying to have different sounds, not just one that we rap to or sing to. Do you know what I mean? Not just one genre. Trying to bounce in between, find different sounds, what works, what doesn't work, what people like, what people don't like, stuff like that. Do you know what I mean?
Okay, I get that. So this song, Never Been in Love. Where did this start? I love how them man laugh, you know.
I'll start off and then I'll speak to Shem. Basically, so the beat that you're hearing is produced by our boy Kev Caesar. He's part of a label GRMG, and I knew him before, like as a boy. I got introduced from a uni friend, and then later on found out that he produces. So ever since we've just been tight, and then been in touch with like music wise and stuff. So I heard this beat and I had this idea in my head, like just a little confession song, innit? That you know what I mean? I've never been in love, never had a little relationship or anything, but it's more of just a song, an honest song, but it's like, it's a reverse love song. Do you know what I mean? It's not something you would really expect on Valentine's Day.
Did you say a reverse love song?
Yeah, a reverse love song.
Are you just mixing up the thing? I said a reverse love song. I'm looking for love, but I can't find love, so reverse the action.
Exactly. Do you know what I mean?
What?
A heartbreak song about never being heartbroken.
A heartbreak song about never being heartbroken.
Yeah, and I had this melody in my head, never been in love, and I heard this beat and it went perfectly with it. So I was like, let me write to it. And then Shem was like, okay, let me write my bit to it. So we've made it a proper in-depth song, honest song. The lyrics speak, you know, volumes, but it's something that you can vibe out to as well and enjoy sonically. All
right, cool. I like that. Shem, you wanna add on to that?
Yeah, pretty much what I said. Literally, like he had the beat. He sent to me what he wrote to it. told me like, yeah, on the concept to be blah blah blah. At first, it wasn't even like it was just enough for him to jump on it. So we had to send it back to our boy Kev Caesar to add another verse to it. And obviously I wrote mine, and it's just a bit of experience, a bit of realness, a bit of opening up, I guess, a bit of, do you know what I mean, fun with the lyrics and blah blah blah.
Fair enough. All right, cool. Because you see me, a lot of people out there on top and on the Instagram don't know, I've got a voice. I can kind of sing and thing, and just kind of. I'm not gonna lie, I was actually looking for a feature on this, but you man check the thing in it. So you man will check the thing. No, I don't want no remix. You man check the thing. Went studio, we called the thing and then said, yeah, here it is. I said, but wait, man couldn't even shout me. YK forgot I even sung. He said, what? He said, what can you bring to the table? I said, brother, we were in the same choir. He said, oh yeah, I forgot. He said, oh yeah, I forgot. Imagine that. But guys, I was wondering, I want you to get the people on the radio a little live performance. Yeah, you man weren't ready for this still. You man definitely weren't ready for this still. You man definitely weren't ready for this. But you know what?
Did you drink your water or not?
Jeez, yeah. Drink up the water, ladies and gentlemen. You're locked into
OnTop Radio, you ready?
95.5 on the dial. Demolition Takeover. Each and every Wednesday, 8 till 10. It's your boy Zander in the driving seat in the absence of Stutz and Black Heat. I've got YK and Shem with me in the studio. And they're gonna give you a little preview of their new track. Track entitled Never Been in Love. It's I won't even tell them when it's out. Let's just.
That's why you wanted the instrument.
Hey. Instrumental, yeah.
OnTop Radio, you ready?
Situationship ways to break you down, that's cool. Can we make it past the talking stage? Please, constantly in the DMs, you're more focused on who's praying. Double tap on your tear. What am I? You're not the one, yet my heart's still open. To be frank, I'm trying to swim good in your ocean. I know there's more feelings than lust, I just can't escape it. I know love is something deeper, just haven't felt it. I've been close, but then I cut it off. Indecisive, don't know what I want, yeah. Yes, I'm still young, I've got time, but I'm tired of waiting. So how should I say this? Cause never felt like we made it. Never had my heart taken. Constant anticipation. Being in with nobody, so take over my body, oh yeah. Ooh, no number one attention, just a little affection. No signal, no connection. Never been in love with nobody, so take over my mind and my body, oh yeah.
I've been close to it, burnt by my ex heartache, been through it, she blew it. What? I'm like, love, screw it, scarred by the past, I might find it hard to commit. Never been in love, but it's on my checklist. Cupid aimed for my heart and he missed. I'm a nice guy, I insist, but I might arch Carla's back and disappear in the mist. In the DMs every day that we speak. In the PM coming round for the beat. Catching feelings when I'm giving you this D. 7 days, 7 nights, I'ma leave your body weak. This ain't got no affairs like Cersei. No Xbox, nah girl, you can't play me. And if you're moving like a fuck, moving shady, I got the power to ghost like.
Loved up been in love, but girl, I'm willing to try. And when that push comes to shove, and promise to stay by your side.
LUV when we chillin', we took for
hours, get high.
Girl, when you're ready for sex, and send me a
text, I'll come by.
That's what they're getting for now.
Obviously, I won't relate to the vocals weren't as strong, but we moved.
So take over my mind.
Yes!
Body, oh yeah.
So we have it there, people.
No number one
YK.
Just a little
and Shem.
No signal, no connection. Never been in love.
I said, I didn't even have that jingle. That's the worst thing about it. YK and Shem in the building, people. So, Shem,
Talk to me.
when can people find this track? When can they find it? When is it?
Well, I feel like the perfect time to drop this. Valentine's Day?
Ooh.
What do you
Ooh. I mean, that's
do you know what I mean? It makes sense.
that's original.
It's not your usual
That's-
love song, but we might drop it on Valentine's Day. You know, people who are single, all our singletons out there, all our never been in lovers.
Well, they've never been in lovers, you know. I like that one
Tune in
still.
Sunday if you're just chilling or whatever. That's just there for you to listen to. Yeah, man.
Okay, cool. And where can the listeners find this? Where can they?
It's going to be on all digital platforms: Spotify, iTunes, Deezer, Amazon, Apple Music, all of it. The whole shebang.
The whole shebang.
YouTube Music, all of it.
Alright, cool. Before you go, boys, plug your socials. Oh, the Instagram's locked off. But plug your socials. Where can the people find you? Where can they interact with you? Where can they hear more of your music?
To find our music as a duo, it's YK X Shem official, all one word. That's where you can get all our music updates, all our video updates, everything to do with music, blah blah blah. Myself is Shem DLC, that's CHEM DLC.
And yeah, my socials, Mr. YK, YKAY _ and same YK and Shem, that's our duo page, YKAY X Shem, CHEM official. Yeah, that's where you can plug into everything that we do.
Alright, YK and Shem, thank you very much for rolling out.
Thanks,
Feel free to
man.
stick around for the rest of the show. We're here till 10 o'clock on Top FM 95.5. I've had YK and Shem with me here on the Demolition Takeover. Myself, Zander, my two boys. You know what? The song bangs. The song bangs. We're going to play it again.
OnTop Radio, you ready?
Yeah, Demolition Takeover. We're here till 10 o'clock.
I see ya.
Situationships a couple, this then freak you down, that's cool. Can we make it past the talking stage? Police, I'm constantly in the DMs, your mofo custom, who's praying double tap on your TO. What am I to do? You're not the one, yeah, my heart's still open. To be frank, I'm trying to swim good in your ocean. I know there's more feelings than lust, I just can't escape it. I know love is something deeper, just haven't felt it. I've been close, but then I cut it off, cut it off. Indecisive, don't know what I want,
Yeah.
what I want, yeah. Yes, I'm
YK and Shem, never been in love. Tracks being released on this Sunday, Valentine's Day. Go check it out.
Ooh, never felt like we made it. Never had my heart taken. Constant anticipation. Never been in love with nobody. So take over my mind and my body. Oh yeah, yeah. Ooh, no number one attention. Just a little affection. No signal, no connection. Never been in love with nobody. So take over.